Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. How do they distribute my retroactive disability benefits once I'm found disabled, right? That's the question. It's simple. They go ahead and combine them with whatever back pay you have available to you, and at that point they will go ahead and pay you them about a month to a month and a week after you are found disabled. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower, so just be aware. It's a month to a month and a week is kind of the average for that. SSDI is very different from SSI. SSDI, you get the whole thing lump sum right up. Once you're found disabled. SSI, they put you through this whole 6-month harangue, and then get you the rest of it. So you get 3 months worth with SSI of your back pay, and then you gotta wait 6 months, and then you get 3 months more of your back pay, and then you gotta wait 6 months more, and then you get whatever's remaining of the back pay that's owed to you. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you have any questions at all, if you want the most up-to-date information, or you want to ask me a question, there's another option than emailing me, which is to go ahead and call in on every Thursday night Eastern Standard Time from 8 to 10, because I go live on YouTube and help people out with their claims. All right. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and we will go from there. Thank you. Bye-bye.